stop what you're doing. The Talk to a Podcast is live right now, and we're gonna see how much how much level 10 gayets that this IP address can support if it uses a subnet. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is convert our IP address and our subnet mask to binary. To convert 192 to binary, look at the hot to it chart, and we see that there's 8 different slots there. We're going to fill all these slots with either 1s or 0s, and our goal is to find numbers in the hot to it chart that equal our IP address number that we're looking for. So in this case, we see that 128 and 64, you get 192. So in our first slot, we're going to put a 1. Our second slot, we're going to put a 1, and the rest are going to be all 0s. Now for 168, we see that 128 plus 32 plus 8 is equal to 168. We're going to put 1s in those spots and 0s in the rest. We go to the next number, which is 1, and we see that's on the hot to it chart, and it's in the last spot, so we're going to put the 1 there and 0s in the rest. We have 0s, so it's going to be straight 0s. For subnet mask, we convert to binary, we see that's 255. The sum of all the numbers in the hot to it chart is equal to 255. So we can just put a 1 in every spot for the first 3 octets, and the last one is 0, so we just put 0 there. So we have our network address and we have our host. To get host, we did 2 to the power of bits we have available, which in that green box you see we have 8 zeros available. So 2 to the power 8 minus 2, and we got equal to 254. So the Talk to a Podcast can accommodate up to 254 level 10 gayets.